Welcome everyone. This presentation is part of my virtual internship at Code Basics. I am Seema Mishra and I will share key insights into Shield Insurance Company 2024 performance. Let's get started. About Shield Insurance Company. Shield Insurance Company ensures safety for individual and business. Offers a variety of insurance plans tailored for customer protection. Known for its reliability, Shield Insurance builds trust with clients. Focuses on making customers feel safe and secure through excellent service. This is my data in this profile. You can check here. Key discussion for today's meetings are: firstly, we will discuss general view, second, age group view, and third, sales mode view. Let's get started. In general view, we will see the essential KPIs empowering executives with in-depth insights for strategic decision making to drive organizational success. The key insights are: the peak performance are in March 2023. We achieved 7.1 thousand customers and generated revenue of 264 million. Lowest performance, November 2022, recorded only 3.8 thousand customers with revenue 132 million. At last, February 2023 revenue insights. February had the highest revenue despite a drop in customer count. Next, revenue in customer segmentation by age with city distribution. And the insights are: first, total revenue. Total revenue reached 989.25 million from 26,841 customers across all age segments. Second, the 31 to 40 age group generated the highest revenue of 335.72 million with 10,977 customers. Third, 41 to 50 age group followed with 210.60 million revenue from 5,357 customers. Lowest revenue age is the 65 plus age group. Leading geographical region is the Delhi NCR, leads with 401.57 million revenue from 11,007 customers. Strong performer cities were Mumbai and Hyderabad, also performed well with 239.51 million and 160.52 million respectively. The emerging markets are Chennai and Indore, showed smaller but significant revenue of 106.31 million and 81.35 million. This is the sales mode view. The key insights are: offline agent sale mode attracted most customers and generated the highest revenue. Second, online sale exhibited a notable growth starting from February 2023. Third, offline direct mode has shown a significant decline in customer engagement. And the popular policy were POL4321 HEL with a base premium of 5,000 per customer, base exceeding 4,000. At last, demographic distribution. 31 to 40 age group dominates the customer base across all policy. This is the age group view. And the insights are: 31 to 40 age group dominates with 10,977 customers and highest revenue contribution. Offline agent mode is most effective across all group with 31 to 40 segment generating 182 million through this channel. Third, POL4321 HEL most popular with 31 to 14 age group, and POL2005 HEL generates highest revenue from 65 plus segment. Settlement pattern. In settlement pattern, clear trend of increasing settlement rate with age 18 to 24 to 65 plus. Seasonal trend. March 2023 showed peak revenue and highest customer acquisition. And overall, the comprehensive performance dashboard insights are: 75% of users interact with the dashboard regularly. $500 in sales revenue achieved this quarter, showcasing sales revenue. 25% increase in leads, 10% improvement in conversion rate, and 80% customer satisfaction. Thank you.